Domino and I'm back at Drumeo. So today I will be showing you the 5 levels of the song Californication by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. So even if you're brand new to drums or you've been playing drums for years, I will be showing you that you can play this song right now. So make sure to leave a comment down below and please let me know which level you're at. So let's start from the top. So let's start with level 1. So if you're a beginner, I want to show you that you can play these exact simple quarter notes and you can play those for the entire song and be able to play Californication. So I'm going to show you an example of what level 1 looks like. So as you can notice, these were simple, easy quarter notes. And if you don't believe me that you can play these quarter notes, this beat for the entire song, I'm going to show it to you right now.
Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind's elation. And little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication.
So now for level 2, we'll be calling it Weekend Warrior. We can be playing that groove and be able to play the entire song. So it's similar to the level 1, but we'll be playing 8 notes instead of quarter notes on the hi-hat, and we'll be adding a second bass drum before the second snare. So let me show it to you what the beat looks like. So even if it's not the exact same part that Chad Smith played on the track, you can still go through the entire song by playing this Weekend Warrior beat. So let me show it to you with the actual song.
Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind's elation. And little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication.
Hey guys, before we dive into the next level, I wanted to invite you to check out the 30-Day Drummer by Drumeo. If you're a beginner or you always wanted to play drums, this is the course for you. You learn to play the drums by playing along with me every day for 30 days. And by the end of the month, you'll have the skills to play hundreds of your favorite pop and rock songs on the drums, guaranteed. The first class helped more than 8,000 people to learn the drums, and I would love to see you in the next class. So click the link to enroll now, or you can join the waitlist for the next edition. So let's get back to the lesson now. So now for level 3 of the song, we'll be calling it The Student. So you're probably noticing that Chad Smith is playing some ghost notes. So now we'll be adding to the same groove that we just did some ghost notes, and it's going to be not the exact same original parts, but still it's going to get close to it. So here's what the groove sounds like. So let's now hear this level 3 parts with the original song, and you will be noticing that we are getting close to the original part by adding these ghost notes.
Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind's elation. And little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication.
So now for level 4 of the song, we'll be calling it the cover band drummer. So we've probably all been playing that song with different bands, different gigs, and in this level, we'll be adding the right ghost notes of the song. So let me show you an example of what this groove looks like. So as you can see, these are a little bit more tricky than the previous ghost notes that we played in level 3. But these are pretty similar to what Chad Smith plays on the original track. So the two more tricky things about this beat are, first of all, the ghost note that comes right after the first backbeat, and second of all, the last buzz on the snare that comes right after this beat. So now let me put it with the original song so that you can hear it.
Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind's elation. And little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication.
So for the final level, we'll be calling it Chad Smith. We had to. So what's different in that final level of the song is, first of all, the hi-hat. You will be playing it a little bit more sloshy by loosening up the pedal of the hi-hat, and also you will be accenting the quarter notes on the hi-hat. And for the ghost notes, you will be playing them the same way that we played before, but this time with a little bit more feel and groove, playing them a little bit more softer and lower. So let me play to you an example of what the original part that Chad Smith plays sounds like. So now we'll be finally playing with the song, the original part that is on the track. So let's do this.
Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind's elation. And little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication. It's the edge of the world in all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication.
So these were the 5 levels of the song Californication. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. So please don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know which level you're at. And if you want to learn exactly what Chad Smith plays for the entire song, you can find the full drumless version of the song Californication inside of Drumeo when you're ready to test up your skills. So all you have to do is to click to the link down below to try a 7-day trial of Drumeo. So thank you so much again for watching this video, and I will see you soon inside of Drumeo.